Stack Readers. Today I want to show you how you can do well on your double chart. So this is from IELTS for Test 2. The graph below shows the demand for electricity in England during typical days in winter and summer. The pie chart shows how electricity is used in an average English home. Alright, as you can see, we have this double chart here, this first one and the second one. Alright, I'll try to write. First of all, as always, I'll start with paraphrasing this one. Electricity in England during winter and summer months. So as you can see, we have this one, and now I'll start for introduction here for this pie chart. So the pie chart shows various use of this electricity by. So this one paraphrased perfectly this one in simple way, that this saying the same thing. That's what we did. Now we move to overall part, where I'll give an overall view for this and this as well. Alright, so overall the consumption electricity in England is quite fluctuating during the winter, whereas it is more constant during the summer. Alright, during the summer. So as you can see, most of the electricity is used to heat houses. So I'm gonna say the heating appliances are the most electricity used appliance in England. So heating appliances are the most electricity used appliance in England. Alright, and the reason I'm using the present simple, because we have here the present simple, so I'm using present simple again. Alright, now I'll start writing body 1. During the winter season, as you can see, this one is the lowest here in the morning and starts rising at around 9. Alright, so I'm gonna mention it. During the winter season, the electricity use is the lowest and in the morning and rises around 9 a.m. So as you can see, it starts to rise from 9 a.m. Okay, I want this here. I'll put this one. So the electricity is the lowest in the morning and rise around 9 a.m. As you can see, it's the lowest but starts to rise again. So the peak electricity usage is around the night, especially between 9 p.m. and 12 a.m. So that's about it. So we mentioned about everything in the winter. We covered as much as possible. Like we mentioned the bottom is the lowest point and the peak as well. So now I move to the summer now. So we start with writing. So as you can see here, it's more like consistent. However, we have 2 sudden rises. I have to mention this as well. So I'll start with writing the consumption of electricity. Consumption of electricity in summer is relatively consistent with sudden rises in the. So we have in the afternoon, and well, we have here at night and at night. So as you can see that we finished this table, that we have covered as much as possible. Like the consumption of electricity in summer is relatively constant with sudden rises in the afternoon and at night. So that's about it. So we move to a pie chart now. So I'll start covering for the pie chart. Okay, most of the electricity which is here, we can see that it's 52%, 52.5. Sorry about this, 52.5%, 5%, 55%. Here's comma is used by the people of England for operating heating appliances. So this one is covering up like heating rooms, heating water. We all covered up this one. scoring 52%. That's why we mentioned this first. The next is, as you can see, the next one is 17%, and this ovens, kettle, and washing machines. Right, 17.5%. Sorry about this. So okay, the other major item electricity use include, so it include, like we have here, this one is ovens, kettle, washing machines. Ovens, kettles, and washing machines at 17.5%. 15% of household electricity is used for lighting. Sorry about this. Lighting TV. Right, 15% of household electricity 15% of household electricity is used for lighting and TV, radio. Here is it. So 15% of household electricity is used for lighting, TV, and radio. So the remaining 15% is responsible for 15. The remaining 15% is responsible or used for or dedicated to. We have a vacuum cleaners. Sorry about this. Vacuum cleaners, food mixers, and other electrical tools. So that's all about it. So as you can see, we have our paraphrasing part, an introduction here, and then here we have an overall. Here we have our first body, and I should have said this is all about one body here. So I just divided into two parts. Okay, so this one is for electricity, this one is for pie chart. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, as always, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, please. And I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, I'll be more than glad to answer your questions. So if you have any questions, you can leave in the comments. I'll answer happily. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.